Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you will be fine. You know that we have started online lectures of second year chemistry, second year FSC chemistry of first chapter. Today we will discuss the topic from chapter 1 is electron affinity. From page number 8 electron affinity. Let's start the topic from our page. First of all, we will define the electron affinity. What is electron affinity? Electron affinity means the energy released or absorbed. The energy released or absorbed when an electron is added to the outermost shell of isolated gaseous atom to form नेगेटिव आयन इज़ कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी. इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी का मतलब उर्दू में ये होता है कि जब हम किसी भी एक एटम के आखिरी शेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन को दाखिल करते हैं तो उस दौरान जो सी एनर्जी खारिज या जज़ब होती है एटम को नेगेटिव आयन बनाने के लिए, उस एनर्जी को हम क्या कहते हैं? इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी. फॉर एग्जांपल, द एनर्जी रिलीज्ड और एब्जॉर्ब्ड व्हेन एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज एडेड टू द आइसोलेटेड गैसियस एटम टू फॉर्म अ नेगेटिव आयन. फॉर एग्जांपल फ्लोरीन. यहाँ पे हमारे हेयर इज फ्लोरीन एटम, न्यूट्रल एटम. इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी एडेड टू इट्स आउटरमोस्ट शेल, then it will be negative ion, fluoride ion, and the energy release will be minus 337 kilojoule per mole, and that will be electron affinity. And that case electron affinity will be negative, energy will be released. Now the next question about the electron affinity is that why the second electron affinity value will be positive. Second electron affinity value will be positive, but first electron affinity value will be negative. Why? First of all, we will define the second electron affinity definition. Second electron affinity means that the energy released or absorbed when we add second electron to the uninegative ion to form a dinegative ion is called second electron affinity. For example, here oxygen is electron affinity of oxygen to form uninegative ion will be minus 141 kilojoule per mole. When we add second electron to the already uninegative ion to form second electron, then the electron affinity will be that 780 kilojoule per mole, and that's value will be positive. And that's the question, second electron affinity value will be positive. Why? The reason is that when we add second electron to the outermost shell of a uninegative ion, then the second electron which will be added to the outermost shell of an atom of a uninegative ion, then the second electron will be repelled by the already present negative charge. Therefore the second energy will be absorbed and the second electron affinity value will be positive. मिसाल अगर मैं इसको उर्दू में बयान करूँ तो मैं यूँ कहूँगा कि जब हम दूसरे इलेक्ट्रॉन को ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव आयन के अंदर ऐड करेंगे तो दूसरा इलेक्ट्रॉन जो सा जब ऐड होगा तो वो ऑलरेडी जो सा उसके ऊपर पहले एटम नेगेटिव आयन के ऊपर जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है, दूसरा ऐड होने वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन उसकी वजह से नेगेटिव चार्ज की वजह से एटम के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज की वजह से रिपेल हो जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से जो सी एनर्जी होगी वो अब्जॉर्ब होगी और सेकंड इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी की वैल्यू नेगेटिव केसेस में आएगी. The energy is usually released when electronegative atom absorb the first electron, and the electron affinity in such cases will be expressed in negative figures. For example, oxygen plus electron, and that will be oxide ion, and that will be minus 141 kilojoule per mole. When second electron is added to the incoming electron, is repelled by the already present negative charge, and the energy is absorbed in this process. Therefore, second electron affinity value will be expressed as positive figures. For you can see there. Now the factors on which electron affinity depends. Electron affinity depends on the size of atom. Bigger the size, less the value of electron affinity. Nuclear charge, higher the nuclear charge, higher the electron affinity. Vacancies in the outermost shell, less vacancies, higher electron affinity, less much vacancies means the lower electron affinity. And the trend is in the periodic table is just like ionization energy. In a group from top to bottom, electron affinity value usually decreases, and when we move from left to right, then the electron affinity value will be increased as the same factor as which are depends on ionization energy, and that is electron affinity. Here the factors can be seen. I hope you will be understand the topic easily. Next lecture will be our the metallic and non-metallic character of atoms in the periodic table. Thank you very much.